Good afternoon, Liam.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing. I'm so excited. I'm just so happy.
So, how was your test today? What test?
It was great. Started well, and I just trusted everything I was told. I just remembered everything, all the tips and hints, and the amazing teaching from my my teacher,
Thank you
and
so much.
it got me through with a 95. So,
Yeah. In the last attempt, you missed from a little bit.
what was that? Sorry.
In the last attempt, you missed a little bit.
Yeah, I missed. I just missed giving way at
Yeah.
a intersection, but we came back and we got it this time. We made sure I didn't make that mistake again.
So, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling amazing. I'm so happy. Yeah,
So, how was the teaching given to you, delivered to you?
brilliant. Best teaching.
Thanks so much.
Best coach. Best everything. I'm telling you.
So, how will you recommend your family and friends?
Yes. Yeah. I'll go tell everyone. If you get your P's, come to this man right here.
Okay. Thank you and best luck. Drive
Thank
safe.
you. Cheers.